Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I actually have another luxury review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing my Saint Laurent top handle bag, and I'm in love with this bag, guys, and really excited to just give you guys a review and then also show you guys what fits inside and what I normally put inside. So the bag comes in a medium and a mini size. But the mini doesn't look like it can hold a lot, and for the price difference, I believe it's only a couple $100s. I figured it just made more sense for me to get the medium, so that's what I went with. The bag retails for about $23.50 plus tax, which is definitely a little pricey, but if you're watching this review, you've probably already come to terms with that fact. So the bag is 100% calfskin leather, and I got it in this black grained option with bronze hardware. I also liked the black soft leather option, but I had read some negative reviews about the soft leather options being really prone to scratches, so I decided to go with grain because I figured it would be a lot more durable. I wear my purses a lot, I get a lot of wear out of them, and I just really wanted it to look its best for the longest amount of time. I really like the grained option. I think it looks really nice, and I love the black with the gold on top. So let's talk about some of the details of the bag itself. It features this really pretty YSL emblem in the center of the bag. It kind of just draws your attention. This emblem actually is a big part of why I decided to go with this bag over the Sunset bag. Most of the other YSL bags are closed by a flap that's held with like a magnetic type of snap closure, whereas this one, the YSL emblem actually is the closure, which I just thought was so cool. So if I pull on the foot of the L, the bag just opens up and then you just snap it right back into place. The bag has an adjustable black leather strap, and then it has a black top handle at the top. You guys can easily find the dimensions of the bag on the website, but I wanted to show you it next to a few different items to give you a visual reference of what it actually looks like size-wise. Here's the bag next to my LV toiletry pouch to give you guys an idea of how big it is. I also wanted to put it next to something a lot of people can use as a reference, so here is it next to the inner pouch of my LV Neverfull. So here's a clip of me wearing the bag just to give you guys a visual of where it would fall. I'm 5'9" for reference, and the bag falls right about my hip. Of course, you can adjust it by a little bit. There's not much room for you to adjust, but I think overall it falls at a pretty good length. There's one section in the back, another section in front of that, and then there's also a small slot pocket in the far back with the Saint Laurent logo printed on it. Overall, I think the bag is absolutely gorgeous, but let's take a look at some pros and some cons. So the first pro for me is the versatility of the bag. I love that it can be worn as a top handle, but then it also can be worn as a crossbody. Another pro of this bag is the uniqueness. Most of the bags just close with that metal closure I talked about earlier, but this one has the really cool L opening feature. Another pro of this bag is its timelessness. This is not a super trendy bag, a bag that you can't wear in a couple years without it looking extremely old and dated. YSL bags have been out for such a long time, and I feel like they'll continue to look elegant and stylish throughout the years, making this a really good investment piece that you can wear years on end. Another pro of this bag is the spaciousness. Despite it being split into two sections, the bag has a ton of room in it, and I can fit a ton of things that I need throughout the day. A lot of my small mini top handle bags aren't very roomy, and I can't fit a lot inside. But with this bag, there's a ton of room, and I can fit everything I need inside. So the first con of this bag for me is going to be resale value. This isn't actually something that's specific to this bag, but specific to the YSL brand overall. Their items are not very hot on the resale market. It's very rare that you're able to sell your bag for more than you paid for it. They decrease a lot in value when it's time to resell them. Again, that's not specific to this bag, that's just the brand as a whole. Whereas something like a Louis Vuitton bag, you're probably going to be able to sell it for close to what you paid for it or more than if there's enough price increases and you took good care of it. I probably wouldn't because I love it so much. I definitely want to keep it, but that's just something I thought about when I was looking to buy a YSL bag. Another con for me is the strap is not easy to adjust. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it because I did see some people complaining that their bag strap wasn't adjustable or that they were having a really hard time. This is how you do it. It's not very easy. There's not a clip or a clasp. It's a little bit harder than that. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick little visual. The last con for me is not necessarily a con at the moment, just something I am thinking about. I have to touch the hardware every time I want to open or close the bag, and I do worry that it might begin to show signs of wear a lot sooner than other detailing on the bag might. just because I literally have to touch it every time I want to open and close the bag. So that's just something to be aware of. So now let's get into what fits inside of the bag. So the first thing I have in my bag is my Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton. If you guys are thinking about buying this wallet, be sure to check out my Victorine wallet review on my channel. I love this wallet and have been using it for a little while now. It holds all of my important cards, a little bit of change, and cash whenever I need it. It's still compact so that it can fit inside my bigger wallets without taking up a lot of space, but it's a nice enough size to be able to hold everything that I need. The next thing that I have is some hand sanitizer. You all know the times we're living in, you can't go anywhere without it. So I just have a small bottle. Next, I have the Laneige sleep mask. I love this mask. I don't just wear it when I'm going to sleep. This is my main go-to chapstick. It keeps my lips like hydrated, but it also makes it look like I put on some form of lip gloss. So I really like this. These are from the Desi collection. These are the backtrack sunglasses and I just love them. I think her sunglasses are just so cool and so stylish for such an affordable price. I love these. These are in the shade Amber Honey and they just fit really nicely in this bag. Next, I have my AirPods, pretty standard. I have this kind of keep all pouch that I keep in all of my bags. I usually transfer this pouch depending on where I'm going, if I'm going out or if I'm going to school, or if I'm going to work. I usually always carry this pouch with me. It has all of my essentials in it and it's just easier to transfer the pouch than it is to transfer all the individual items. In the pouch itself, I have a little bit of everything, I'm not even gonna lie. I have 2 packs of wet wipes. I have one that's a scented and one that's a plain. I have a pack of Lactates. I need these to eat. I'm lactose intolerant and I love dairy, so I really can't go anywhere without Lactates. I have 2 pouches of Emergency. I like these for if I feel a sniffle or if I feel myself coming down with something, I can take one of these and kind of fight it off before it even gets started. I have blotting papers. I like these for my makeup. They do a really good job. I also have a pack of Kleenex in here, just as like the to-go pack. It fits really nicely in here. I have some Listerine breath mist. I have a little tube of Eucerin hand cream. I have a roller ball for product candy. If you're looking for any scents, be sure to check out my perfume collection on my channel. I keep a pen. It's nice to have your own pen just in case you need one. I'll never forget. I went on a trip to another country. I need to fill out my passport documentation. I didn't have a pen. Ever since then, I always keep my own pen on me. It's just useful. And then lastly, I have some dental floss for obvious reasons. So as you guys can see, this pouch holds everything. It's literally the most clutch thing. I got them in like a pack of 6 from Amazon. It holds everything and then I can see everything through it. It's perfect for any bag really, and I like to just transfer it between purses, backpacks, and anything in between. I also have these sunglasses. So that's all for what's inside my bag and the review for this YSL Top Handle Cassandra bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Drop a comment and let me know if you were gonna get this bag or things you like about it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I drop a video once a week and I really would hate for you to miss something new.